Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first I want to start off by saying I haven't been on here in a long time. I have been really busy with just like my personal life. A lot of changes have been happening and I've been really busy with school and everything like that. So that's why I haven't really been able to upload a YouTube video. I've been more on my Instagram to create more makeup looks and everything, but I haven't really had time to make a YouTube video. So now that all this coronavirus stuff is going around, I decided I need to make some time to make a video. And I did post on my Instagram not too long ago that I was going to make a video answering some questions for you guys. In that post I said that I would be getting ready and filming a get ready and answering some questions. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't feel good at all. No, I don't have the coronavirus, but I just don't feel good. I've been really nauseous and overheating, and I just feel like I have a cold. And I just didn't really feel like filming, getting ready and everything, so I decided to put on some makeup and answer some questions for you guys. So because I don't feel good, my husband made me this little fruit bowl with fruits, with oranges and banana. So I will be eating and answering some questions because I don't want to pass out. So the reason why I'm doing this video is because I feel like I've posted quite a few videos just creating looks for you guys. I feel like I haven't really talked about myself. I feel like you guys don't really know me. So I decided, and who would want to watch somebody for this long and not really know much about them? So first I want to start off by saying, if you don't know me, my name is Rosaline. I'm 25 years old. I started YouTube about a year ago, and recently I've been posting a lot on my Instagram, which is Glow by Rosaline. I've been posting a lot of makeup tutorials and just fun stuff like that. So if you guys want to go check it out, go do that. So I'm just gonna start with a random question that somebody asked me. What do you do for work? So right now I'm actually not working at a place. I was working at a laser hair removal and skincare place for a while, but I got so busy with school. I was doing hydrofacials at one point at the place that I did work. So I'm really into skincare and anything, honestly all things beauty. I mean, what girl isn't? So I was doing that for a while, and I kind of just decided that right now that's not working good with my life and my schedule. So I'm home a lot when I'm not at school, creating looks, makeup looks, making Instagram tutorials, makeup tutorials. That's something that I'm constantly doing and working on. So that's my life right now, and I absolutely love it. I feel like I'm living the best life right now. So the next question is, what made you want to start YouTube? I just always loved creating looks and just showing people what I love and showing people the way that I like to do things. So I just think, why not, come on YouTube where you can express yourself and show people what you love to do and maybe teach people things and create content. I just love the whole entire YouTube thing. I just think it's so cool how anybody can just start a channel and just express what you love on there, and people get so into it. So it's really cool. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm still trying to get comfortable in front of the camera. It's not easy. I feel like no matter how much you prepare yourself, it is a little awkward. I know that eventually in time I'll be way more comfortable with it, but and I feel like even with my personality, it's not really, I feel like as I get more comfortable, I'll be able to express myself more, but just give me some time, you guys. I am trying to get comfortable. It's really not as easy as you guys think, just to turn on a camera and talk. Because I mean, people are judgmental and they'll find anything, so I just feel like you have to be perfect, and I really don't want to be. So the next random question is, what's my favorite lipstick combination? My favorite lipstick combination is NYX Cosmetics lip liner in London, and lipstick is also by NYX. It's Abu Dhabi. And then I usually put a lip gloss over it, the Too Faced. It's a lip plumper. I forgot what it's called. I have it on right now, but it's a lip plumper. I have to find it and I'll link it. But it's the best. It like really makes you look like your lips are like plumped. The next question is, how did you and your husband meet? So for those who don't know, I got married in August of 2019. It's so weird saying that because I feel like it was just like a month ago. But yeah, it was like almost 7 months ago. I got married to my husband. His name is Jason. And we actually met in high school, in 8th grade actually. It was, you know when you're like in 8th grade and you guys go to see your high school and you go into the auditorium and tell you about the school and everything. So he was actually sitting behind me during like the orientation, and I didn't see him, but he was sitting behind me. And when I walked out, I seen him. I don't really remember like if we talked, but I remember what he was wearing, what he looked like and everything. And I remember thinking like, oh my god, he's so cute. And I totally like forgot about him and everything until 9th grade when we started high school. But he actually told me that from that day that he seen me, he couldn't wait for the whole entire summer to pass so school can start again, so he can actually see me again. And we ended up having our first hour, I think it was first hour. Yeah, we ended up having the first class together in high school, and it was gym class, and we became friends. But he liked me, and the rest is, I don't know, it was weird because like I had the biggest crush on him, and then he did, and then we were always going back and forth on us having like a crush on each other. Like 3 or almost 4 years ago, he asked me on a date, and we honestly just clicked right away. It was just like, I don't know, it's so weird because until this day we'll talk about how exciting, and like we always talk about that. So the next question is, what's your favorite thing to do besides making videos? Well, making videos is definitely one of my favorite things to do, but other than that, I love hanging out with my husband. I love watching shows, binge watching shows with him, drinking wine, having beer, and just going out with him. And you know, just we have so much fun. We'll go to a random hole in the wall, like a random little bar, and it's so much fun. Like that's always gonna be my favorite thing to do with him because it never fails. We always just get drunk and have so much fun. And other than hanging out with my siblings and their kids, yeah, I just love being around family. Do you have any siblings, and if so, how many? I have 2 sisters and 1 brother. I'm the youngest, and they are all my best friends. I love my sisters so much. They are definitely my best friends. And I have a niece. She's 16, and although she's not a sibling, it's so crazy because when she was first born, oh my god, I was like so in love with her. I remember I was so young. I was like, I don't know how old I was. I was probably like 10. I remember I like held her hand and I started crying when she was in the crib. I don't know why I was so emotional. Like if she watches this right now, you're a brat now. I was so obsessed with her, and I still am. I think I'm so annoying of how like much I love her, because I'll call her to hang out and I'll call her to like talk, and she'll just be like, what? I'm like, but I want to hang out with you. She's definitely my bestie. The next question is, what's your nationality? I'm so surprised I got this question because I feel like I look like I'm Chaldean. I don't feel like I look like I'm anything else, but this person that asked me was actually not Chaldean, so I could see why, like they wouldn't really know. And yeah, I'm Chaldean. The next question is, what's your best beauty tip? My best tip for y'all is never try too hard when you're putting makeup on. If you're going somewhere that you have to be like extra dressed up, or if you're going to an event where you want to like feel really good and pretty, I would do like what you normally do. I wouldn't change anything. That I would do like what you normally do and like what you normally feel pretty in. By the way, you guys, there's like the tahine, I don't know how to say it. I call it Tajin, but I don't know how to say it. That Mexican stuff, and it's so good. If you guys don't put on your oranges, try it. It just makes it so good. But That's my beauty tip. Never try too hard. Do what works for you, and like don't try to look like anybody else, because no matter what, you are beautiful. Trust me, believe that. So yeah, that's like really all the questions that I have. But before I end this video, I do want to say, like I said earlier, I know I haven't been on here in a long time. I've been really busy with my life. Good things have been happening, some good changes and everything, but now that I am not really working anywhere and I'm not I have more time to like create videos for you guys, I'm really excited. I really want this to be my main focus. It definitely has been on my Instagram. I've been really focused on like making my tutorials and everything, but I love making YouTube videos. I feel like I can be more like personal with you guys and like more connected. So I'm definitely going to be on here doing more of those. So just be patient with me, especially right now during this whole like coronavirus situation. I've been so like I've been at home for so long and just like irritated, and I've honestly just been feeling like I have like a cold. So I haven't been feeling good, but I feel like now is the time to like really take advantage and create more videos. So I'm gonna be doing that for sure, so you guys will see more of me during this whole situation. But yeah, stay safe, you guys. I know there's like a lot of crazy things going out there right now with this whole virus, so just make sure that you're staying in. That's like the one thing I've been telling everybody: stay in, don't leave your house. It's really not worth it. I know some people are like getting irritated and they're just like going crazy, but I really feel like this is going to be done really soon. So stay in, sanitize your house every freaking minute. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.